Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a custom QR code to your PowerPoint presentation. As an example, I will show you how to add a QR code that leads to a Google form, but the QR code can lead to any URL. As you can see, I've made a Google form already. If you want to make one as well, you can make one at drive.google.com. After you've made your form, you want to copy the URL. You can find the URL by clicking on the purple button and clicking on the chain icon. And if you want to have the QR code lead to something else, you can copy another URL, like on YouTube or a web address. You then want to go to the website theqrcodegenerator.com. The link is in the description. This website allows you to paste any URL into the bar. Click on the bar and press Ctrl V on your keyboard. After you do that, the QR code on the right will automatically update. You then want to right click the QR code and copy it. Now I will open up a PowerPoint project. I simply press Ctrl V on my keyboard to paste it into my slide. And now the students can use their phones to scan the QR code and instantly go to the URL without having to manually type the URL on their phones. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.